Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how the Site Health tool works in Ultimate Security. Site Health is a useful tool that acts like a checkup for your site. It gives you a clear, easy-to-read summary of your site's technical setup, server environment, and security status. Before we begin, please make sure you have the Ultimate Security plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. We are starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard. To access the Site Health tool, let's hover over the Settings menu in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down, choose Monitoring and Diagnostics, then click Site Health. You are now on the Site Health page. These settings bring together all the important details about how your website is built. By keeping an eye on the information, you can ensure your site is running smoothly and stays protected. At the very top, you see three main buttons. The Copy Site Info button is very useful if you ever need to ask for help from a developer. It copies all this technical data to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into an email or support ticket. Next to that, the Refresh button allows you to reload the page to get the most recent data. Finally, the Export button lets you download the information as a file for your own records. Below these buttons, you see a search box, if you are looking for a specific setting. Now, let's look at the main information tabs below. Currently, we are on the WordPress tab. This tab displays the basic foundation of your site. You can see your WordPress version, which tells you if your site is up to date. It shows the site language, the web addresses for your home and site URL, and the permalink structure, which defines how your page links are organized. You can also see the HTTPS status, which confirms if your site is using a secure, encrypted connection. At the bottom, you will see a multi-site status. This tells you whether your WordPress installation is running as a single website or as part of a multi-site network. At the corner, we have two more action buttons, Copy button, and a Print button to download a PDF file of the information. Having this information in one place makes it easy to verify that your core settings are configured correctly. Next to the WordPress tab, click on the Environment tab. This section provides a look at your server, where you actually host your website. You will see the PHP and MySQL versions and server software here. These are the languages and database versions that WordPress uses to function. You can also see your PHP memory limit. This is the amount of space your site is allowed to use. If this limit is too low, your site might slow down or crash when performing heavy functions. The max execution time shows how long your server will wait for a task to finish before it gives up, and max input vars helps control how much data can be sent to your site through forms. More important settings like max size and max upload size. These numbers tell you how much your server can handle for things like large images or plugins. For most sites, higher upload limits are better when working with media files. Scrolling down on this same page, you can see the WordPress constants. We look at the WordPress constant section, which shows debug settings are all disabled. That's normal for a live site to keep things secure and prevent error messages from showing to visitors. Both action buttons exist in the same area. Moving right along, let's click on the Database tab. Your database is like a filing cabinet where all your posts, pages, comments, and user information are stored. This displays your database name, host, and character set. You can also see the table prefix, which is a prefix added to your data files. You can also see the current version of the database that Ultimate Security is using. Next, click on the File System tab. This is a helpful view because it shows the permissions for your most important website folders. Permissions determine who can read, write, or change files on your server. For example, you can see the permissions for your plugins, themes, and uploads directories. If these are set incorrectly, a malicious person could potentially modify your site files. By checking this list, you can quickly see if your folder permissions are set to a secure standard. Now, let's click on the Themes tab. This page shows all the themes you have installed on your WordPress site. It categorizes them into all, active, and inactive. You can see which theme is currently live and running your site's design. It is a good security practice to delete any themes you are not using. Finally, click on the Plugins tab. This is the most important tab for security. Just like with themes, it lists all your plugins, showing you which ones are active and which are inactive. Plugins add features to your site, but they can also create security holes if they are not kept up to date, and that covers the entire Site Health tool. By exploring these tabs, you have learned how to check your server settings, review your file permissions, and keep a clean list of your active themes and plugins. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security guides. We will see you in the next video.